welcome to Lexley. Today we're going on a bike ride. Oh well guys, it looks like it's going to be a wet video.
Calvin on the balance bike. What? Feet up, bud, till you fall. Is that fun, Carl?
We're back from the rainy day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
No, Daddy, behind the scenes.
No,
Can somebody help me take my helmet off?
Let's play 2.0.